ready to turn your Roblox creativity into Robux. Let's dive into how to make and set up Game Passes in PLS Donate. First, head over to Roblox and click the Create tab at the top of the screen. This takes you to the Roblox Developer Hub. Here, you'll see your experiences. Select the experience that you want to add your Game Pass to. It's important to select the experience that will match your Game Pass. On the left panel, click on Associated Items. Next, click the Passes tab. This is where all of your experiences Game Passes will be. Click the Create Pass button. This will take you to a new page where you can create your Game Pass. Now, it's time to personalize your Game Pass. Upload an image that represents what you are selling. Give your Game Pass a catchy name and a brief description. The more descriptive, the better. Great, the Game Pass is created, but it's currently off sale. Click on the Game Pass you just created. You'll be directed to the Game Pass's individual page. Click on the Sales tab. Toggle the item for sale switch to on, then enter the Robux price for your Game Pass. Consider what you are offering and what players are willing to pay. Once you are done, click the Save Changes button. And you're done. Head into Pools Donate, claim a stand, and your new Game Pass should appear as a donation option. Now you can start earning those Robux.